Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be demonstrating a soil sample kit. This one happens to be a Yard Mastery branded one. I've got my probe right there. So I'm going to take 2 or 3 different samples and then combine them and then send them in. Let's open up the soil test kit. There's the envelope to send in the sample. Here are the directions. And an idea on how to do a sample. I'm going to be using the probe. 5 to 7 spots, 4 to 6 inches deep. I'll go get my bucket. We'll get started on that in a minute. And here are the components. This is what the soil sample will go in. It emphasizes do not empty the contents. And there's the scoop for my average soil sample. So let's go and get started on this. We'll start right here. Good as any. And there's a good cross section of my soil. That right here looks pretty good. A little different soil structure there. Perhaps right here. And we'll try her here. That looks good as any. And her here would be good. And I'm just going to mix that all together. And that's the type of soil I have here. It's really sandy soil. Now I will take the enclosed scoop . And there I am. And then I simply add it to this container here. All ready to go. off to the mail. And I'm on their app and I'm about to register. And there is the progress bar. I have it registered. Now I've got to get it in the mail. And we'll come back as this progresses. A week later, I have got my soil test results in. That was a smooth and easy process, and I would recommend doing a soil test because I found some areas that I was surprised they were low on. So I will put a little slideshow here at the end showing my results and then showing what products they recommend that I use. Once again, this has been doing a Yard Mastery soil test. Thank you for watching.